Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show how to set up Tailwind CSS, the new version 4.0 with your React project. Also, there is a new version of DaisyUI. Previously we are using 4.12.13. Let's go to that version. So it's the previous version, but there's a new version 5.0. It's not launched yet, but it will available in 1 month. So let's try it beta version. So what next? So let's go to the installation part. So I'm going to use the 6.28.2 React Router version. So we have to install these things, and for the Tailwind we have to go to the docs file, and then we're using byte options. From here we can install the Tailwind, and for the DaisyUI we're going to the install bar. So let's go to the file explorer and open a new React Router project. So let's go to the terminal and write these things. I have just copied it from the React Router and give it a new name. So we are giving a new name, demo project, as it's a demo project. Then press enter. After that you have to choose some things like what is our package name. We have to choose demo project. Then we have to type cd project demo project. Then we go to the Chrome browser again and copy npm installed React Router DOM. So from then we press it to the terminal, and it will take some time. So let's wait for that. After all the packages have downloaded, we have to press another npm run called lpm installed local voltage match sorter sort by from React Router, and press it to the terminal and wait for some times to install it. After that we are opening our code in the VS Code. So you can see all files here. So now let's install the Tailwind new file using byte. So you can see in the terminal we can have another command npm install Tailwind CSS. So press it in the terminal again and wait for some time to download all the packages. Once all the packages are downloaded, we can see a different option like byte.configure.js. We have to import and write something. We're just copying it from here and press it as the Tailwind CSS guided us. So we're copying Tailwind CSS, and after React we're going to press it. So I'm just formatting some code here. So it's complete, but we have another work with the CSS. We'll do it later with the DaisyUI. So now let's go to the DaisyUI file. So we're going to type the npm install file for the DaisyUI beta version. After all the packages of installs of DaisyUI, you can see a CSS file here. We have to copy it from here. You can see the Tailwind CSS file has already in the DaisyUI, so we don't have to copy it previously. We took both of them from here and go to our code. So here from source we can go to the app.css, clear everything and press it, then go to the index.css, clear everything and press it. So now just run our project. So npm run build, npm run dev, and from the localhost we can see our project. So here's the code that's written in the app.jsx. So we are cleaning something from here, clean these things and giving a new name, hello version 4. After that you can see, And from, I don't like the dark theme, so I'm making it the data theme, the light version here from the index.html. Sorry for my typing mistake. So you can see the local host is light again. Now let's try the Tailwind CSS. I'm giving just command text for Excel, taking the color red 17 and some font is bold, and of course text should be in center. So let's try, and you can see hello version 4. Then let's go to the DaisyUI test. I'm taking a hero. Where is hero? Here is hero. I love Spider-Man, that's why I'm taking a Spider-Man of hero, because he's my hero. So just press it and format it from here, and let's show how it is showing in the local host. So here you go, you can see the hero from here. And that's all everyone. I hope you all have set it up your project. If you further face any problem, write me to the comment section below. Good luck and enjoy coding. Peace.